Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and yeah, fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le chino iqoki luthengelwe yimi. Na le sikolo saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.
Chris uyakubhulisha.
He's bullying me and he doesn't care about me.
Does he?
Don't you know that I'm sick?
Ayindlela ohleka ngayo Liza.
Sekabuhlungu.
Ngathi labo Popeye bathi yini? Khona labo Popeye la.
It's a couple nje la. Hi guys. How are you? I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. Would you be okay with that? No problem. Hi, Bossissy, would you mind?
Hey, ubani khona lokho?
Huh?
Sibambezela.
I'm going to ask 2 questions and then you guys can go.
Quick, please.
Yeah, Sandela. I'll be quick, girl. Come closer. Okay, face the camera for me, ne? Okay, name?
Ngulusi gama.
No, Lucy.
Lucy.
Lucy. And?
Usbu.
Sbu, how long have you been with Ubusi? Lucy.
It's like 2 years manje.
2 years.
Yes.
Still going strong.
It's going strong sis.
Come on, good relationship. I'm going to strip to Lucy.
How sweet.
Sweet Lucy.
How sweet Lucy.
Sweet.
Sweet Lucy.
Sweet.
Yeah, so sweet people. Konzweni.
No. Hayi uright ke konzweni ngimamfundisi kahle.
Oh wow.
Ngimamfundisi kahle.
Okay. Lucy,
Hello.
what is it that you like about us, Bo?
I like everything. Ukam like caring and he's loving, yabo. Understand nje, yeah. Ne attention itekhona ke ungiphese yakhe nje ya.
Okay.
Thola yonke into engiyidingayo noma sikhathi sini.
Yeah.
Yayiflashisa indoda sis.
Huh?
Yamflashisa indoda sis.
Okay, Lucy, but where did he meet you?
Sahlangana emabonengi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like mina ke nje ngiyabonga sisemncane ngithanda lento zokuyihamba hambela ubumnandi.
So you met at Groove.
Yes, of course.
What does he say at Groove when he approaches you?
Ibo wangibuza ukuthi hayibo sisi uphuzani, you understand? Then ngisho nami lapha ngeke phela ngizibeke phansi ngiphuza ubrutal ngifuna iAstropez. Umjida phela kumele support ngisho. Provide.
Uyathanda astropez, Lucy?
Hayi ngiyithandi phela kumele provide abonakala ukuthi userious ngalento ayifunayo.
Testa.
Of course, yes.
Watesteka ke wayitha?
Watesteka and then my since attestekile sengimbambele eduze.
Okay.
I'm not ready to let go.
Okay, yima ke sibu from Groove. Umfumene Lucy umthengele iAstropez, ne? Afterwards kwenzeka ntoni? Niyagoduka or what?
Hayi ke sahlala phansi ke sazimamela nifuna check ukuthi ngumuntu onjani. Hayi ke sahamba lapho ngibone khona ukuthi hayi Lucy.
Nihamba niyaphi sibu?
Siyaqasa bhoka qala ukuthi siyabona ukuthi mhlambi ngihlala emikhukhwini oma flatini kanjani siqasa bhoka nabona ukuthi hayi kuba right ukuthi mama sendlini. Hangi mama sendlini uyapheka ipapa uyayipheka ipapa. Hayi ipapa.
Anikwazi uyipheka nje ipapa mina so umntombazana xa yakwazi ukupheka ipapa.
Hayi ke
Ayifuni.
hayi manje ukwazi ukupheka ipapa hayi khami kancane. Akakhami kancane. Hayi ndiyayipheka.
Ungandifundisa ukupheka ipapa Lucy?
Hayi ngizokufundisa.
After lento sizogoduka nalo undifundisa ukupheka ipapa.
Ngizokufundisa ukupheka ipapa.
Lucy, uyamvuthina ubhuti? Uthi nina nabhuka.
Obvious. Phela ungajaji.
Andijaji Lucy. So you gave it up on the first day?
Of course, yes.
Guys, I want to say something to the viewers. I'm not encouraging you to give it up on the first day, but what I will say is that there's no formula. She gave it up on the first day and they've been together for 2 years. Dams, akho formula. Akho formula, guys.
Yes.
Akho formula.
Baphinde bakushiye phezulu kuba uzibeke for 3 months uthi hayi after 3 months akushiye emva kokuthi athole.
True.
See?
Hi guys, ndiyaniva mna. Okay, but do you trust Usibu?
Ngiyamthemba kakhulu mina umuntu wami Shembandla. Ngiyamthemba kakhulu.
Sbu, uthembakele wena.
Ungithemba ke ngithembe nawe sisa ngidathembakala. Asengithanda umuntu ndathembakala.
Wena uyamthemba uLucy yena.
Kakhulu ngimshiya endlini manisemsebenzini ndibuye khona. Ndiyamthemba.
Okay.
Noma khe nabangichazela next engathi uphume esayidini.
Funny.
Hayi.
Oh, okay, guess Buno, Lucy, what we do on the show is basically making couples switch phones. We do that to test your guys' loyalty to each other. We want to see if you guys are not cheating on each other.
Okay.
So would you be okay with that? You just go through
Mina
WhatsApp.
ngi-right Shema angina stress. Ngi-free.
Free. Okay. Sbu.
Hayi mna akho ndiphihlayo.
Okay, sapani phone again, guys. Lucy, I think. Okay, I think let's start with yours, Lucy, ne? Is that ngicela yakho? Okay, password my skirt vula. Thank you. Okay, so we'll go to our WhatsApp, ne? Oh, no, who's this on your wallpaper?
I'm loyal.
Oh, Kasem Clemani. Yeah, so now ujahala mntana iya WhatsApp. Okay, Smooth. Okay. Type love you. Okay. Smooth, that's you, mustn't it?
Yes.
Okay, go down. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay. Type miss you.
Miss you.
Hey, that's you, mustn't it? What language does she type in? Delete?
Is this all?
Okay, delete again. Type in Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
Who's doing her favors? Yeah, it's Anas Bunguwe again.
Hayi.
You take care of your lady, ne? Delete. Okay. Type thank you. You again. Okay, nothing dodgy. Delete. Type babe.
Babes. Should do.
You again. Okay, delete that. Type test. Right, usana ni responsible nani ya tester. Okay, delete. Type pregnant. Anchi. Ay, sana, nothing. Okay, delete that. Type meaty. Okay, there's nothing. Delete. Type ngaphandle.
Ngaphandle.
We think who's fetching your woman?
Ngaphandle hayi. Ho kade akaye ngaphandle nyani.
Okay, akhona.
Akaye ngaphandle.
Okay, delete. It's last night.
Ekumnandi.
Yeah, sana, nothing. Okay, delete that. Type ndiyacela. Hayi sana, that's you. Cela kumntu wakho Sbu. Delete.
Elizophiwe.
Okay, type morning after pill. I said nothing. Congrats, Lucy.
Thank you.
Yeah, talk about you're really happy in your relationship to not cheat, ne?
I'm not cheating.
At all. Vula sibu phone. Sibu, don't disappoint us, please.
Hayi.
Vula sibu. Vulile. Okay. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? All right. Okay, Lucy, type love you.
Love you. Okay.
That's you, ne? The top there.
That's mean.
Okay.
Maraya.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Miss you. Again, it's me and his mother.
You must just go back there. Just okay. Type hey Isbu. Type babe.
Babe.
Okay. What do you see?
It's me and Zama.
Ndibona loo nto. Go into Zama.
Zama.
Sibona izinto apha. Sibona izinto apha.
Bonani.
Ngubani uZama?
Zama.
Awuzama sisebenza naye.
Umbiza babe uZama.
Hayi mina ndathanda ubiza usisi ngithi babe, Jali. Yabona yonke loo nto leyo.
Okay. Go into media. Lucy, see what kind of pictures they sending each other. Hey. Oh, lovely.
Okay.
Wait. Go up. Wait. Ukusendela ntoni uZama?
Hawu usenza ntoni sisi?
Awuyazi ifoni yakho?
Kulaa ntoni qala apho ndikhona ningabheki nindiyaziyo.
Come describe lo muntu
Uthi lezi thombe ezikanje akazuzicele kimi obikini and stuff, but then here, yeah.
kusexy up.
Hayi lezi wathumela ukuthi wayithumele yena yi-boyfriend yakhe esithola kwenye umuntu.
Zifika kuwe njani ke ngoku?
Ndiyaxoxa naye emsebenzini ngoba sisebenza mhlawumbe sithola ukuthi siyi-2 siyaxoxa ukuthi nifuna uyazi into abenziwa amantombazana nayenza amajita ukuthi aphila.
So that's not explaining how pictures got to you if they were meant to for boyfriend yakhe.
Ngicabanga ukuthi nizasidilitha wena sisi qha ndakhohlwa usidilitha ukuthi ziyabonwa
Uyasebenza, you use these pictures, uyasebenzisa ezi pictures.
hayi
Awusebenzisi?
hayi ndisebenzisi
Because amadoda ayasebenzisa pictures to do ezinye izinto.
hayi ndizandisebenzisa isithando sami.
Awusebenzisa ezi pictures. Ujonge ipicture uzenze. Uyasebenzisa.
Ndisebenzisi man sisi man.
Lucy?
Sama ndisebenzisa isithando sami.
Tell me, why did it take you so long to respond?
Hayi ndiyabona umbambe off guard sisaca ulinde ndisidilithile.
Lucy, do you want to call Uzama to actually, because uthi bana they co-workers and ke ngoku Uzama does not look like a colleague.
Lapho-ke bengimthemba unokubuya late emsebenzini.
No, uhleli na, oh, uthi uhleli noZama.
Since basebenza bonke, colleague, sister, whatever.
Asiyiva le nto ithethayo ichazayo, Sibu.
Hayi colleague.
We're calling Uzama and just ask her if she knows Usibu and how long they've been together. Because uyaxoka uSibu. Wenza izinto zifana izo house husband and housewife. Your work husband and house work husband. Hi. Am I speaking to Uzama?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Zama?
Yebo.
Uyamazi uSibona.
Zama unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila, ngicela ukubuza sisi, uyamazi uSibu?
Usibuma la ngiyamazi.
Wazi nishika, waJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Okay, umazi kanjani sisi?
Ngumuntu wami.
Umuntu wakho. Umuntu wakho, ubaba kwakho.
Ubaba wami.
Okay, fine. Since kuubaba wakho, ninesikhathi singakanani sisi?
Sina 1 year, 2
Oh,
months.
isilima yimi lana ne.
1 year, 2 months.
Lima uwe ngibani ke wena?
I can call myself his wife, yeah, noma i-girlfriend ngihlala naye phela. Ngihlala naye endlini sisi.
For 2 years.
For 2 years, 2 years ngihlala naye.
Adrop ifoni for ntoni? Sondela.
Angabheki please ntombi siyasixabanisa.
Nangu uyakuphika lana uthi uyasixabanisa.
Hawu uyabhanqa sisi.
Oh,
Uyazi kahle sinomntana. ona 6
What?
months. Yes.
Sondela.
Ooh.
Nginomntana.
Sinomntana ona 6 months.
But you said awukho ready.
Yaxelela.
Bekayenzeni izolo?
Ebesisebisi lo mntana empahla zeChristmas.
So
Jesus.
wena, it means wena uzama umithe immediately because
Bana.
1 year 2 months so umntana unangaphi?
Noba benimithe nini sisi, thetha nendoda yakho ungathethi nam. Ufuna ukumitha kwami.
Hayi,
Bani into yenu nobabini.
isithando sakho. Ayikho nje.
Nakunesithando sami, nasi isithando sakho la khuluma naso uchaze yonke le doda
Hayi,
izwa la.
mina lamkhaze
Thatha,
maybe
thatha,
ibhaji.
thatha.
Nangu sibu, nangu
Hayi,
sibu.
ibhaji le.
Manje uhambisela amabili.
Nangu sibu.
Hello.
Hello, sithando sami, uright baby.
Hayi,
Sithando sami.
yaphila sisi wena right.
Oh wow.
Right. Kanti njengoba ubuthe izolo uzawubuya iphelele phi loo nto leyo?
Hayi, zakhona ukufika.
Hey.
Sangikwazi ukufika.
Hayi ungabumbanga. Umntana uyakukhumbula apha.
No.
Khuluma musukuthi yo, khuluma.
Hayi, sinozom.
Khumbula.
Khuluma. Ibhantshi lakho lakhumbula ngithi uthi ibhantshi.
Bye sisi.
Papa ini ngifuna iphele lento le iphela manje.
Njani sana sami?
Uthanda ukuthi njani?
Uyakhetha-ke sho ukuthi ulahle yena or mina.
Hayi, isithando sami.
Izinto ezisheshayo.
Yo, hayi.
Nansi ifoni nangu uzama
Hayi,
nangu Lucy khetha abantu.
Ichinungiselena sithando sami.
Thetha kaloku unozama. Ba awkward thetha.
Mamela sisi ngicela delete number zami ne.
Umntana yena.
Hayi, umntana zami sithando sami.
Umntana.
Bengingonza delete lezi number baby, yes.
Angidelete inamba khipha khuluma lapho ukuthi umntwana wenza njani ngaye nomuntu.
Ithi xa sigqibele yethu soyithi sithando sami. Zaphela ufonele sisi.
Sigqibele kuqala angisho lento leyo eyiswa.
Uthi ngusisi kodwa ibaby mama yakho le.
Hayi, ngusisi.
Qale wathi colleague
Usisi nje bana sisi dali yonke la nto angifuni ukuthi mangathi dali kuye ngoku kuzogcina ukuthi ngeke ngisathandana kunye naye yabo. So
Qhubeke-ke no baby mama wakho since.
sana sami mama umntana. Okay ke so mama umntana sana sami ngithanda wena dali.
Qhubeka nomama umntwana.
Mama umntana sana
Ufuna
sami.
umntwana wena awukho ready. Awufuni umntwana.
Zawuphinda ngicokole nawe.
Don't drop your phone.
Lucy thini into yakho?
Mina angeke ngikhone. Ngihlala ngihlele endlini ngenza everything ayifuna. I'm submissive. Okay? Ngiyamhlonipha, ngiyamphekela, ngiyasha mina. Wena no baby mama.
Kodwa yile yokwenza umntana outside yena.
Bengayazi ukuthi ngakubekela kanjani sana sami ndithi ngifuna ubona ukuthi mhlawumbe siya ibisile nje serious kanyanyani bezakuchazela
After
sana.
2 years. Uthini na wena?
Kaloku sisi ndakuxolisa mntu wami.
Ngase ngatshana ngale bag.
Oh, yazi sithando sami ndakuxolisa mntu wami. Ndakuxolisa dali.
Le bag le.
Eish.
Sukuthi wena. Sonke lesikhathi mawuhlezi ushayisa ebusuku ule ku baby mama le. Mina ngisilima. Awufune mntwana
Ngisemsebenzini sithando sami. Oh baby, yo. Xolisa sithando sami.
Lucy uzowuhlala. Are you gonna stay? Ngiyamlahla.
Manje.
Delete numbers, delete numbers sithando sami.
Lethi number or in and
Even phone yakho, where are their phones? Please give them their phones.
Hayi ngizadelete number zakhe sithando sami ngoku.
Uzozidelete?
Ngizazidelete unamthanda.
bese wenza njani ngomntwana?
Hayi umntwana
Ngizomthanda kanjani umntwana mina ofike ngikhona?
safuna umthanda soyithi sithando sami. Safuna umthanda.
Safunda ukumthanda.
Soyithi sithando sami.
Ufunda ukumthanda nomamakhe.
Hayi usithando sami ndacela. Saphekela ngibani ipapa?
Wena bobona
Saphekela ngibani ipapa sithando sami?
Umsebenzi wami ukupheka ipapa.
Hayi nje nje yodwa sithando sami.
Ngigada indlu yakho, ngisecurity lendlu yakho mina.
Hayi
Pheka
Right,
ipapa.
ngipheka ipapa. Le mnandi ongincoma ngayo ukuthi ngiyayipheka ipapa. Wow.
sithando sami. Oyi ntoni?
Ipapa yena ubhaka abantwana.
Jonga no. La nto uthayifuna for Christmas akuthengela yona.
Ini?
Le uthayifuna for Christmas.
Angisayifuni. Yazi yini ebuhlungu? Ukuthi mina la endleleni mangihamba maybe ngiphumile ngetown bayangikhulumisa intanga zami
Yes, abantu bafuna abantu
bafunayo nginendoda.
Unayo.
Ngithi ngindoda.
Unayo sithando sami unayo.
Oh.
Ini? Uyindoda wena. You call yourself a man. Wow.
Kamforo wena yo ndiyo baby. Mamela sithando sami.
Yilungiseni mani guys. Ithini into yenu?
Hayi sisayixoxa endlini.
Are you guys gonna go home together? Umfuni Lucy.
Ngiyaphuma kuye. Uyekela ukungibamba hamba.
Miyeke.
Hayi.
Love you, do you need transport?
Ish, futhi nje ngiyabonga nge-transport ngiyayidinga. ngicela usuke endlini.
Okay. Sibu khawushiye man.
Angifuni nje ngiyabonga ngi-right ngaye lo.
Khawuhambe sibu.
Sale wena uye kubheki mama wakho uyokhulisa imicwana.
Hayi man.
Ngathi ungathola nokuthi ijazi.
Oh mntoni.
Sibu, separate. Do you have transport home?
Ya ngizokwenza iplan sisi.
Okay. Out of my frame, cheater. Begin. You can go home. We'll take your woman home.
Sithanda sami.
Uphinde ungifonele.
Sithanda sami.
Angifuni ukubona egeyidini lakithi wena.
Dlamini. The things that happen here. Dlams, I'm so tired.
Intoni lesikhulu?
Angithi I've been sitting on the couch for past 3 weeks.
Ngibone bathi status
back is so-
uthi the river that is flowing near my apartment. I'm not going out.
I didn't,
Kusho wena
I didn't say that. I said no. I said the river and near my apartment is so nice. I'm not moving out anytime
That's
soon.
what I'm saying, Kadintini.
Ute, I'm not going out.
Yeah, it's the same thing, Mos.
It's not the same
Not
thing.
moving and going out is the same thing.
Ingati, you're making it sound like there was a flood outside my apartment, so I'm not going outside. That's not what I said.
But that's what you said. That's what you wrote.
I said there's.
Yes, what you
Chris, is that what I wrote? I didn't write that.
I'll check
Thank
status.
you.
Okay.
Chris is saying I didn't write that shit.
Okay. After loko yini evelile. Just check angithi.
Guys, there's a river outside my apartment. I
Okay.
just said the sound of the river outside my apartment is so nice. I'm not moving out anytime soon.
Okay.
And then this is what I mean.
Okay, ngiyakuvumela usho kanjalo. After leyo nto ayibhalile yini evelile. Anti check status.
What
Yeah.
showed?
What else?
I don't even remember.
I remember because I ngiyachecka and ngiyamemorize.
Ingena bila ndiyithethayo kule nto bandiyithethayo bandidiniwe.
Oh, udiniwe skis. Bengazi ukuthi udiniwe.
Ngibone ngufethi boom boom kaloku that's sitting on the couch and bed the past 3 weeks drinking medication.
Because of this.
So I'm not fit.
So if you can try and open your mouth kancane ngawabona ama stitches.
I'm not gonna do that.
No, ngifuna ukubona nje kuphela.
Uh-uh.
Ungahlekilile mfethu. Kancane ngifuna ukubona.
No.
Eish. Bafethu uLisa wenze lento le bathi bayibizani? Bathi what
Jaw surgery.
Jaw surgery. Umhlathi kalili ubu. Oh yini into lesikuyo. Uthi uLisa umhlathi wakhe bekuyilo mhlathi lo akusilo mhlathi okhula njenga wonke umuntu onormal. Owakhe ubu abnormal bokuthi uma ukhula boya phambili kanje.
Yes.
So bekunezinto angakhona ukuzidla like ama-rusky, izinto lezi eziqinile. So uthi if akayenzanga le jaw surgery ibizo affecta uthe yezo affecta yini?
The motion of my jaws.
The motion of the jaws ibizo affecta. So it was a must for her to go and do that.
But there are people who think I did this for beauty.
Abantu abaningi bacabanga kanjalo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And I actually don't care.
That's why I just want to put it out there ukuthi vele it's not because of unemali eningi, no. Bekuphoqa isimo ukuthi ayoyenza lo mhlathi wakhe ukuze uzoba right. So please asizi man. I know it's painful askis. Uzoba right.
I will by January.
Yazi ubuso bakho vele bashintsha nje ngenye indlela.
Do I look different?
Yeah,
I think because
different.
my mom is used to me, obviously, and I'm used to my face. She was also like, you don't look too different, you know? But we're like, we'll see when I go outside. Do I look different?
You look different.
Chris, do I look different?
Too much. Thank you, sir.
I look
Thank you.
different.
Ngiyabonga. Ubuso bakho bebu, your face was like bebu sendaweni eyodwa bugcwele la. But manje bu
So I look smaller.
yeah,
The face looks smaller.
smaller.
Really, guys?
Hey.
So I didn't want to look. Okay.
Ayish mfethu ene mongaphola la ngiyazi ukuthi hayi amajita amaningi asengeni.
But what I appreciate, you know what I appreciate? I said to my surgeon that, listen, don't remove things that you don't have to remove because I'm not insecure about my chin. We know my chin is long, right? So what I appreciate is that it's still long over here. Because it was long there, but it was also growing forward.
What?
So it's like this part is gone. It's still swollen over here because the stitch is here. So when the stitch goes, obviously the doctor says the stitch is going to go down. I'm going to be a bit flat over here because now it's still a bit, you can see.
It's
Yeah, yes, I'm
Yazi
still
kunje-
swollen.
njenge there's this animation yabo guru. Guru bathini ngoba Sengikhohlile. Yabhala ema-comment le elimination yabo Popeye laba abancane laba. Khona uDrew, yabona uDrew.
No. I look like Drew. Do you wanna? Are you done shading me?
I'm not shading you. I'm just saying what I'm seeing. It's what I see.
Okay.
You look like uDrew.
Okay.
Drew, come here.
Mhm.
Fucking everything kumbulile kodwa phela.
Really? You actually missed me, Lums? That's so cute. Aww. I missed you, but I didn't miss work.
Oh, you didn't miss work.
Uh-uh.
You missed me.
Yeah.
Shout out to me.
I missed, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, Lums, should we?
You miss about me. Yeah, just be honest. So one simply na ku December manje. Be honest. And I'm not gonna judge.
Hmm?
I'm not gonna judge.
I missed your scent. You always smell so good.
How am I? Thank you.
Yeah.
Singayivala ke. Yes, this shit.
Guys, let's wrap. Let's wrap. Is there anything else you want to say?
No, I'm right.
Perfect. All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serabe. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serabe _ and follow Lums.
Instagram welcome_Dlamini 88 on TikTok. It's welcome Dlamini. Facebook welcome Dlamini. Danko.
Danko!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serabe. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile uthengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Ngikhethe kanjani na
Yes.
Ama friends ngadlala.